And we're back. Oh, good! 100 seconds. 100 seconds to beat one level. That's gonna be my doom noise. There we go. Baseball. Hey, you! Damn it. Baseball sucks. Okay, ready and... Whoa. Poke. No. Faster, Pokey. Faster. Wrong way. Faster. Faster. Come on, Pokey. Go, go, Poke. Going the wrong way. I'll go like that for the rest. Oops. Now silly. Poke. And now for this. Damn it. Oh, wait. Awesome. Oh. No. No. Oh, perfect. Oh, come on, give me that. And... Oh, no! Why? My Bane has returned. Okay, so, more forward. No! Okay. I see that up there. Uh-oh. What is that? Is it? Yep. Trizo trap. Rewind. And, whoa. No! Come on, I have a little bit of time left. Okay, so here's my idea. Wait. Okay, you know what? Wait it out. No! A little more. The amount of time I had to think, I'm just rushing. Okay. Wait, maybe I can do that. No. I know I can do this. I just have to not do that, and... Yep, there we go. Come here. Okay. I kind of expected that to be harder for me. Guess we'll go to this level now. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for your concern of how much I love these. Like, you just have to bring them back. I hate these guys. Okay. Go away, Lakitu thing. Okay. Rewind. I'm keeping this. Master Molting Sprite! Come on, man. Fine, just go. Okay. Why? Oh my god. Even after I make it. Master Molting Tree! Master Molting! Great. Wonderful. Double wonderful. Triple wonderful. I'm really bad. Blech. Come on. I screwed up. Whoa, that's ugly. This is horrible already. Yep. Yipper. Twitter. Come with me. For once, you are my ticket to victory. No, come on. Oh, poop. Okay. I would shoot another text message, but I can't answer it because I'm too busy with this. Okay. Okay, go away. Go away. Okay. Go that way. I'm not. Shut up. No, why did I press that? Mouse button has been pushed. Congratulations, you fail. Whoa. It's just not rabbit season right now. What am I talking about? Rabbit season, it should be ghost season. Hunt down ghosts. Ghostbusters. Da-da-da-na-na-na. Da-da-da-na-na. 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 If you don't go... I should have kept that hit. This is good. You're good, but I'm better. I hate you. You really suck. What am I doing with my life? I can do it. Let's see if I can do that again. That was pretty cool. You douchebag. Oh, I even made that. I really hate this. Please. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna have to use you again. Oh, that's not alright. I think I'll have to do some editing, but I don't care. It's done. Save and save. Good night, everyone. I'll see you all tomorrow when we finish this.